being an Excel expert, or we can say being an Excel user, there are some basic terms, basic knowledge terminologies which we should know about Excel. So for example, very firstly, we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like these numbers. These are called rows. If I click on this, these are the rows 1, 3, 5, 4. Okay. Similarly, on the top we have A, B, C, D, E. These are called columns. So this is the row 1, 2, 3 and all, and A, B, C, D we have, these are the columns. Now next, for example, if I click on this particular box, which is known as cell. A cell is nothing but an intersection point of a row and a column, which means this cell is the combination of the row and column. As I click on this, you can see here this box is called name box, means you can give a name, or by default the name of this box is C2. Similarly, by default we have if you are having the Excel version of 2003 or 97, which contains 65,000 rows and 256 columns with .xls file extension. This file extension is nothing but in which format we are saving our file. Simple. Now if you are having 2007, 10, 13, 16, 19 or MS Office 365, in that we are having 10,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns with file extension .xlsx. As you can see here also, if I click on this, you just need to click here and on your keyboard click Ctrl and down key. Then you will find we have total 10,48,576 rows. Again Ctrl up and Ctrl right arrow. We have in XVDS we have 16,000. Once again Ctrl right arrow. Now we have these 16,384 columns in .xlx file extension. Happy birthday to Excel is 1/1/1900. This is the happy birthday to Excel. That means the Excel came into exist. There are some default terminologies like default size of an Excel file. By default, Excel size is nothing but the 7 KB. For example, if I click on my file folder and I just click on new file and I click here new Microsoft Excel worksheet and click here. When I click on this, you can see by default it is having 6.02 KB file. If I click on this Excel extension, by default it would be having the size about 7 KB. Okay. And what is the maximum size of this Excel? The maximum size is totally depend upon the memory of your machine which you are using, either it is a laptop or a PC. It totally depend upon your machine's memory, the maximum size of a Excel file or a Excel workbook we can say. By default, the font size of the Excel is 11 and the font name is Calibri, which is by default when we have the new Excel. Minimum font size, we have minimum font size is 11 by default, which is there. Okay, so these are some basic terms which we should know as an expert about Excel. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.